we are going to get some water, free water, fresh water. All right. And that's how we roll. Free. We love free.
Fresh water is like gold in the Bahamas because there really is no fresh water. They have to make it reverse osmosis water from the salt water to fresh.
And they give it away here.
Yeah. But you can't abuse it. You're not supposed to fill your tanks, but for drinking, it's allowed.
You got to remember that these Bahamian islands, they don't have any so-called infrastructure. I mean, they're lucky they got electrical. Now, they only have electricity and fresh water because they produce their own through diesel generators. Yes, diesel generators running 24 hours a day. They make their own water. They make their own electricity. It just goes on and on. I mean, these are self-sufficient islands, but they don't do anything about recycling garbage, waste, even septic. I'm just sure it goes right out into the ocean. There's no treatment plants here, nothing. So that's just the way it is, and it's a beautiful paradise. On top of it, it's beautiful here. Because all the fumes and garbage, they all go to North America, right? I mean, the wind blows it to the east. So the dump, and what it is, it's a hole, and everybody puts their stuff in it. At the airport, and we got a burn happening here. This is how they get rid of. This is how they recycle. Everything gets slowly burnt away. Don't breathe that in, Sandy. And all the plastic and everything gets burnt. Hold your breath when you go through here. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, come over here. Wait, just have a... Why is it?